Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through on different types of dashboard here in LegalZoom. So let's get started. First, when it comes into their business, they have different types of registering your business like LLC, S Corp, DBA, nonprofit, and sole proprietorship. They also have a run your business by business compliance, annual report, and so on. They also have a protection for your business like a trademark registration, search, monitoring, patent, and copyright. Now, after here, they have a personal from the estate plans, family, real estate, and services. Let's go first with the estate plans. They have a will trust, and on to the family, they have a power of attorney, healthcare directive, and a divorce. On the real estate, they have residential lease, property deed transfer, and while onto the derv services, they have a virtual mail. Now, when it comes on hiring a attorney, they have a four type. First is the business attorney plans, personal attorney plans, and a trademark registration with other legal matters. Now, when it comes on different kind of forms, like for example, you want to create a doc assist, they also have one, and also a legal form templates and an e-signature. Now, when it comes on to their support, all you need to do is to click the drop down button and you can find a resources support and directly talking to them, including their phone number. Now, if you want to start a one, all you need to do is to select a specific LLC. For example, here, I'm going to choose on to the start your LLC with confidence. You can see a different kind of plans for each of this. For example, from the business, personal, attorneys, forms, and support. We can see here that they have basic, pro, and premium. If you need one of this category, all you need to do is to select them and subscribe directly. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.